Hey, what's up guys? My name's Crystal and today I wanted to show you how I got this cute top knot hairstyle. But before I do any of that, do me a favor and like this video. It'll help me out greatly bumping up in that YouTube algorithm. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. I am dedicated to this YouTube life now, so whatever you guys want to see, whether it's hair, makeup, or fashion, I'm happy to do it. Leave me some feedback, drop me a comment down below, or reach out to me on Instagram. I put my Instagram handle down in the description box. This is a great hairstyle for concerts, festivals, parties, or when you just want to look cute and dress up your bun hairstyle. I'm definitely going to be doing this a lot in the summertime. I'm trying to get more creative with like my everyday hairstyles, which I do a lot of buns, a lot of ponytails, and obviously wear my hair curly, but I'm just trying to like get creative with them and give you guys some different kind of styles that you could try at home. The accessories that I'm using today I got from Shein. They were like less than $2 each, so I went ahead and bought a bunch so I'll get more creative and have some more hoop styles coming for you guys. Alright, enough chatting for now, let me show you how to do this.
Perfect.
So to begin this hairstyle, I'm just going to section out where I want my center braid to go, which is pretty much right between my eyebrows here. I want it to be about ½ inch wide, and I want it to stop right at my crown, so you'll see me stop braiding right when I get to around here, because that's where I want to put my top knot. One thing you'll see me doing as I'm braiding is I will be applying my Eco Style gel. This is my favorite gel. As you guys know, if you've seen my other videos, I always use this stuff. It's just very soft and moisturizing for the hair as you're braiding. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna comb out my hair and create that section. So I'm pretty happy with this section. Now I'm just going to apply gel to the sides of my hair to make sure that none of these hairs cross over into my braiding section. And I'm going to put clips there just to really make sure I don't pull any of these hairs while I'm braiding. Now I'm going to apply gel to this entire section here. Alright, so I'm just going to do a regular cornrow braid. I'm going to try to braid as tight as I can, and I'm just taking it underhand as I braid. Okay, I'm stopping here and I'm just going to put a rubber band just to make sure that that braid is secure and is not gonna go anywhere. Alright, so now I'm gonna proceed in brushing all of my hair into a top knot right here on the crown of my head. As I do that, I'm gonna apply some of the gel because I do want it to be a slick back kind of top knot, but I think this style would look beautiful if it was like a nice messy top knot as well. It gives it a nice bohemian vibe. So, here we go. I'm going to be using my Tangle Teaser brush because this just really helps me create the best ponytails, the best buns. So as you're brushing your hair, just be mindful of where your braid is because you don't want to brush that. That would suck because then you'd have to do it all over again. Now I'm going to use my brush just to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. Okay, cool. I'm really happy with the position of that and how it looks. Not that many lumps in here. It's great. And now I'm just gonna put it into a little top knot. My hair is a little bit frizzy on the end, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of gel to smooth that down. And I'm gonna just twist it. Okay, there we go. We have a cute little bun. I'm just gonna do my edges really quick, using the same thing I always do. If you watch my other videos, this is my olive oil edge control and my little edge brush. Alright, now that we have our hair tied up, our braid done, edges laid, we can go ahead and add our hoop accessories to our braid. So I bought these hoop accessories off of Shein. They were like $2 each, so I went ahead and bought like 6 packs because I want to have them in my accessories kit next time I work a photo shoot. I think it'll be cool to add to any hairstyle. So I'm basically just like twisting them back, and I'll just add them to my braid like that. Hopefully it works. How many should I add? Let's see. Maybe I'll add 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say 5. Maybe we'll do more. Let's start back here. I'm not gonna close it just because I feel like that might be complicated to take out afterwards. Okay, that's cute. I think this is just a fun way to dress up your everyday hairstyle, you know? I'm all about that. Taking your usual styles and just dressing them up a little bit. Oh, that one didn't go in so well. Oh Lord. Okay. Or should I just add a lot to like stack them up on top of each other? I know I said 5, but we're gonna add a lot more to this. I think it'll be cool to have a lot in dress up your everyday top knot, just add a simple braid. I did a cornrow, but you could probably just do a regular braid and just lay it back, tie it in a bun if you're not experienced with doing cornrows. You could also probably do a twist and it'll look great too. I'm definitely going to be using these hoops way more often. They are a little hard to open, especially if I had my nails on. Forget it, I'd be there all day, but that was not so bad. And they were so cheap and they look so cute. I'm gonna get ready to have a photo shoot now. Alright guys, I hope you liked this hairstyle. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that